Let's identify and explore the element that has 9 protons and 10 neutrons. First, let's recall that the number of protons in an atom determines which element it is. This is called the atomic number. And when we add the number of protons and neutrons together, we get the mass number. Looking at the periodic table, an element with 9 protons is fluorine with the symbol F. This particular isotope of fluorine has a mass number of 19, so we write it as fluorine 19 or F19. Let's visualize the atomic structure of fluorine 19. In the nucleus, we have 9 protons shown in red and 10 neutrons shown in blue. Around the nucleus, we have 9 electrons arranged in 2 shells, 2 in the inner shell and 7 in the outer shell. Let's summarize what we know about fluorine 19. It has an atomic number of 9, which identifies it as fluorine. It has 10 neutrons, giving it a mass number of 19. And it has 9 electrons, making it electrically neutral.